structural thing that they put around the handles.
What I came up with was thinking. Straight the holes. They're coming. They're not nothing. I'll probably wind up putting a
Pro speed in there, but I'm not too concerned about that right now.
You just need to get some. You need to get this panel. Hopefully you can see this a little bit better here, but these things is like get that low out of there. You can see my tool right there. So. You angle it is because I'm trying to put direct pressure